18, let's construct a truth table for this statement. As always, I'm going to put my little legend up here. So the conjunction is true only if I have a true, true, false otherwise. This junction is false only if I have a false followed by a false. It's true otherwise. If then is false only if I have a true followed by a false. It's true otherwise. And my biconditional is true only if I have a true, true or false, false. So that's my little legend. I keep this up here just to kind of guide me through creating this truth table. So we have two simple statements, P and Q. We always start off this way when we have two simple statements, true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Excuse me. Simple statements, I have a not P, I also have a not Q. So let's build those two simple statements with only one letter, quote unquote, one statement. Not P, or negation P has the opposite truth value of P. So if P is true, not P is false. If P is true, not P is false. If P is false, not P is true. If P is false, not P is true. Not Q. If Q is true, not Q is false. Q is false, not Q is true. Q is true, not true is false. Q is false, not Q is true. Just the opposite truth values. So now let's get our first compound statement in there. P if and only if not Q. Now to form this statement, I am looking at P. I am looking at not Q. These are the two simple statements that build this compound statement. And I'm joining them with a biconditional. And that's true only if I have a true, true, or false, false. Here we go. True, false. It's only true if I have the same truth value, so this is false. True, true, that's true. False, false, that's also true. False, true is false. Okay, done this a bit. Now I have another compound statement, not P or Q. Now that compound statement is going to be built by not P or Q. Not P or Q. So not P or Q. Now, or the disjunction is false only if I have two false statements. Otherwise, it's true. So the only way I'm going to put a false here is if I have two false statements. False, true, that's true. False, false, there we go, that's a false. True, true, that's true. True, false, that is true. Okay. So now I can construct my original statement, super compound statement. These two columns joined by a biconditional. Remember, that's only true if I have true, true, false, false. So let me write this here. P if and only if not Q. If and only if not P or Q. Okay, so the only way we're writing a true here is if we have a true, true, or false, false. False, true, that's false. True, false is false. True, true is true. False, true is false. And there's our solution. Here's our truth table.